Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely, very rare, it's a Mini Cooper S Countryman, finished in gleaming black. Really is a lovely looking car, drives absolutely fantastic. Rear privacy glass, it's got a lot of extras on the car. Twin exhaust, rear parking sensors. See the boot is in absolutely stunning condition. Countryman Cooper S. All our vehicles are videoed and pictured outside for better light, but are kept inside for viewing. Don't see many of these in the Cooper S. Interior is in fantastic condition. USBs down there, never saw that before. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Inside the car, got automatic headlights. Just started up, little switch down there, it's cute. 53,617 miles. It's got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, Cooper Works steering wheel, different driver profiles. Got the map for the satellite navigation, communications pack, Bluetooth, media pack, climate control, 3-stage heated seats, audible reverse park distance control, nice little armrest there, 6-speed gearbox, USB point. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.